Man, turn this shit off. How do you turn this off? It's so easy. It's so easy to stop what you're doing. It's easy to start stuff. It's easy to start. Oh, from now on, I'm gonna start doing this. With whatever it is, it's easy to start. It's easy to go buy that new program and start. It's easy to like, oh, I'm gonna start exercising today, or oh, it's easy, I'm gonna go. Like in my case, I got it right there. It's the vacuum cleaner. My wife's gonna get so upset because there's so much clutter everywhere, and it's like on me to make sure that there's no clutter before I start vlogging. Anyways, I had to get this video out. Look at it. It's so easy to start something, but you know what's easier? To stop doing it. I had committed. There's carpet in this room and carpet in my office area. I don't know why we still have carpet. We've been talking about ripping it out and just going just regular floors, but we still do. We're gonna do it sometime soon. Anyways, that's not the point. The point that I'm trying to say here is it's easy to start, but it's easier to stop doing something, especially if you commit to it. I had told my wife that I had committed that I would take care of the vacuuming every single day in these two rooms. We have a very dusty house, and we have pets, of course. We have a couple dogs. We have a lot of traffic. We're in and out. We're outdoorsy. We're in and out. We bring in a lot of junk up in here, and it requires that we vacuum every day if we want to keep our allergies keep them on check. So we have to vacuum. That's for sure. I didn't do it yesterday, and I hadn't done it today. It's easy to stop. It's Friday. It's about, I don't know, 7 o'clock, 7:30, maybe even 8. If you know what time it is, you're not doing enough. But I know it's somewhere around that time. And the best way to get back on the horse, to get back on doing something, is to just do it right then and there. Just jump on and do it. Even if it's like 50% of your normal. I was sitting there. I was already contemplating, okay, I'm going to take a shower. Relax, get ready for dinner, chill for a little bit. I was already kind of going into shutdown mode and kind of start tapering off. And then I looked over and I was like, I haven't vacuumed in 2 days. I could have skipped it and just did it tomorrow. I'll just do it. Oh my gosh, I'll just do it tomorrow. Yeah, try that. That'll just go on to forever. Or she would have done it tomorrow morning. She would have been vacuuming. That would have made me, for one, feel bad, and then it would have brought my value down, because I said I was going to vacuum from now, and I've been doing it for close to a year now. But I said I was going to do it every day, and every day means every day. So if I already skipped 2 days, okay, cool. I messed up. I own it. 2 days are done. I haven't done it for 2 days. Okay, well, I can't say that no more. I don't want to make it 3 days. How can I not make it a third day? Just get up and do it. Get up and grab the vacuum and just do it. Now, I'm not talking about, this isn't a vacuuming video. This video is like, if you told yourself you're going to walk from here to the stop sign every day and you skip 2, 3, 4 days, what's the best time to start? Today, right now. Don't change. Don't put on your outfit. Don't make it all difficult. Just do it. If you said that you were going to read every day, if you said that you were going to save a few bucks every week, if you said that you were going to meditate every day, if you said you were going to be thankful about something every day and you haven't done it for a few days, right now, stop. As soon as you're done with this video, or just press pause right now or stop, whatever. Stop and do that thing that you said that you were going to do every day. That way you don't have a delay no more. I haven't done it for 2 days. And if I wait another 24 hours, I'm going to say I haven't done it for 3 days. And if I wait another 24 hours, I'm going to say I haven't done it for 3 days. But if you do it right now, it doesn't keep on creating I haven't done it momentum. You just say I haven't done it. Oh yeah, I have. I didn't do it for 3 days. When was the last time you did it? Like right now, I'm back on it. You're back on your game. And you start creating momentum. I got up, grabbed the vacuum cleaner, shower, dinner, relax time, it could wait a few minutes. I'm just going to hit this real quick. I'm not going to do it like 10x style. I'm going to do it all right. Get it going, hit the corners, do what I got to do. I'm going to feel good. My wife's going to know it got done and she's going to feel good. She can't do it tomorrow because it's already done today. I'll do it tomorrow sometime. Just get up and do it now. The power of now. The power of now. Even if you were to say, even if I just kind of turn it on and do quick corners, same with if I said, if it's like a reading thing, you said you're going to read every day, grab the book and just read a sentence. Boom, that's it, done. You said you're going to do your goals every day. Maybe you're not going to do the full page of goals today, but maybe you just review your goals. I didn't write them today, but I reviewed them. So you did it that day. You cut the negativity, you cut the gap that was created of not doing that thing. And you no longer have it. You're again back on track doing that thing. That's going to do it for today's video. I got to get back to vacuuming. Again, I had the thought and I had to spit it. Just a little light right here. Sorry if there's a clutter. Wifey, if you see all the clutter, my bad. Appreciate you guys watching, and appreciate her not getting upset because folks saw the clutter if I see any in the background. I'm trying to get angles here where you don't see the clutter, but anyways, I had to come on the video and just say it. I get the thought of the video and I just gotta come in and just spit it on the video. That's it. That's today's slapper. I'm done for today. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know why you gave it a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, give that video a thumbs down and let me know why you gave it a thumbs down. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe. If you are a subscriber, boom, put it right there. Good looking out. Thanks for subscribing. And yeah, some links in the description. If you know anybody that could use this video, help me out, share it with them. And yeah, that's it. That's going to do it for tonight's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. And yeah, I'm out. Oh, dang. I guess I didn't press the button. Now I'm out.